In our daily lives, noise pollution is everywhere, seriously affecting the quality of life. Today, we introduce you to an efficient sound absorption solution. The 3D Polyester Fiber Acoustic Panel, made from eco-friendly polyester fiber. This acoustic panel is non-toxic and has excellent sound absorption properties. Designed with a unique 3D structure, it effectively absorbs mid to high-frequency sounds, reducing sound reflection. Multiple color and style choices. Installation is also very simple and fast. Whether on walls or ceilings, can be easily installed without the need for professional tools. Suitable for various places, such as home theater.